That's 1.5 cups of flour. That's one. That's a half. 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. That's a 1/2 of sugar. 3/4 is not what was I thinking. Yeah, so up here. You know what? Don't want all that sugar. Just 1/4, not even. So less than a 1/2 cup. Following the recipe here, guys. We'll see how this tastes. 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I found something. How much? 1/2 cup. Right, so this stuff sure is 1/2 cup. I don't think there's going to be. Alright, that's 1/2 cup. 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1.5 of baking powder. 1. And whatever that is, we'll say it's 1.5 anyway. 1/2 teaspoon of salter. That's 1/2 teaspoon. Well, I guess you just beat it all to shit. 2 large eggs. Alright. 2 large eggs. Was it 2? 2 large eggs. 2 teaspoons of eggshells. And here's our calcium. 2 eggs. The equivalent. The equivalent of $200. Now what? 1/2 cup of milk. 1/2 cup is 1/2 cup, everybody. That's 1/2 cup. In my world, anyway, it's 1/2 cup. 1/2 cup of butter melted. 1 cup of chocolate chips. Sweet. I hate fucking cooking. Oh, I'd rather for somebody to actually kick me right in the fucking nutsack. Boy, this is going to be quite the chocolate chip muffins. Now what? Preheat oven 350. And that is melted. Stir that in. Or milk. It's not what you call battery. Is that a word? I know battery, car battery. Runny, I suppose. That's the word I'm looking for. Needs a little more. I think now that must be consistent enough. right consistency, I should say. Glass. Cold water. And we shall start dipping out some of this stuff. And hope we can scoop out the right amounts. You're just going to make more than a dozen muffins. Put that there. I don't think we have full 12. I don't like a real sweet muffin. You wouldn't be able to tell by looking at me, but it's true. It's true, dude, it's true. So, what we're going to do now I'm going to put a bit of water in each one of these, and we'll put these in the oven for 25 minutes, it says. All right. So, guys, I know I didn't go through, every step and take you around with fancy camera work and blah, 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 but I didn't think that that was needed. It's just a simple muffin recipe. So what is it that you need? Well, I found this on Cook Fast, Eat Well. So it's a chocolate chip muffin. It says prep time is 10 minutes and cook time is 25 minutes, total time 35 minutes. The ingredients: 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, or however sweet you want it, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, half a cup of milk, half a cup of butter melted, and 1 cup of chocolate chips. So you just cook it at 350. It says 12 muffins, but for some reason I ended up more. Maybe I didn't put enough in. We shall see. And you just whisk it all together, and beat it together, or whatever, spoon it together, and put it in muffin tins. So that's how easy this is. Now, whether or not it's going to turn out any good, that's going to be yet to be seen. And we'll come back when they are cooked. So I think if the light glaring after, if you can see, I think if I would have put all that into just 12 muffins, it'd be a mess in the oven. We're gonna have a coffee and wait for the muffins. So I'm going to say it didn't come out too bad. But you could put them all in 12 muffins. I thought that they would be really overflowing and making a mess. But no, you can actually put it all in 12 muffins and have a little bigger muffin. But yeah, so I hope that you give these a try. I took one of the small ones, and I made a little mistake with the salt, but it's a little salty because I'm an idiot and I kind of used the tablespoon instead of a teaspoon. But hey, don't make that mistake. But other than that, it tastes it tastes really good.